This video is about removing the online scam that is related to the site Dateu.click. This is a scary pop-up that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. The pop-up Dateu.click tries to mislead people and to force them into thinking that their computer is horribly infected with some malware. Then the pop-up Dateu.click attempts to trick people into clicking on this Stay Protected button. And when people mistakenly do that, when they click on Stay Protected, this very moment they would be redirected to some other dangerous websites that may promote some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up Dateu.click actually claims to be related to some well-known security program, but it is not related to that program. As I said, it promotes some other totally different software that is correctly considered to be the potentially unwanted program. So clicking on this Stay Protected button will lead you to some other deceptive websites. Therefore, don't trust these misleading pop-ups. I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer. You may get Combo Cleaner on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.